Okay, we're going to take a look at this 2019 Yamaha YZF R125 in blue. I'm going to grab the camera and have a close look around the bike for you. Right, let's go in for a closer look on this Yamaha. It has had an HPI check, all clear. It is low miles this, and it's only a one owner bike from new. Lovely bright blue paintwork. Have a look over on the start at the front and we'll work our way around. Really nice bright blue paintwork. Does have ABS on this for a 125. It is learner legal, so get your CBT, you can ride this on L plates. Let's have a good old look over on the left hand side. As you can see, it's all nice and clean. Close up look around this at the back, over on the back wheel. Get a look at the seat, getting everything nice and clean. It is low miles this. Look at it from the back. We'll move over to the right hand side. You see these have got the Akrapovic exhaust on, designed for the R125. Start it up in a bit and you can listen to that. Let's have a look over on the right hand side. Again, everything nice and clean as you'd expect from a low mileage bike like this. What we'll do is we'll go and have a look on the dash, get the exact mileage. Okay, let's have a look at the controls. So you've got your start button, you've got your kill switch, brake on this side, move over to the other side, we've got the lights, indicators, horn. As you can see, it's full LCD dash. Let's have a look at this. So if you look at the mileage there, it's only done 740 miles, so really low mileage. Okay, let's start this up, listen to it run. And there you go. If you'd like any more photographs or videos, anything close up that you want to look at in more detail, we can do that, send that over to you on WhatsApp. If you want to give Dawn or Dave a call on 0161 713 3219, they'll be happy to help you. Finance is available on this bike. We can also offer contactless free delivery anywhere in the mainland UK. There's also extended parts and labour warranty available and a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can visit us online at www.SoManyBikes.com, or you can call us by phone on 0161 713 3219, or you could call into our showroom in Greater Manchester by appointment only during these COVID restrictions.